Well, today we got a special one. We got a Tree-50. Old school Chevy motor, you know, fucking pretty well bulletproof. Versus a fucking 4.8 LS. Specifically, out of this piece of shit. Fucking lifters from Summit Racing were garbage from the fucking start. And they got worse. And then the transmission fucking died on the thing, so I just said fuck it. And replaced the whole engine and transmission on the fucking thing. I got a 5.3 and 4L60 in it now. Runs great. Anyways, back to this cocksucker. You might notice it. It's all the pristine fucking square body there. Putting a TBI 350 in that thing. So what do you do with the one, well, brand new 160 horsepower 350, more like 90 now? Well, you fucking strap it to a tree and you fucking give her until she doesn't give anymore. I mean, just look at this fucking quality engine, quality manifolds, quality broken off fucking alternator, oil leaks galore. Mind you, this engine was sitting uncovered in that fucking truck for, I don't know, 10 months. He had no hood, fender, fuck all on it. Yeah, so now it's here in the tree. So here's the setup. Take off the throttle return spring, zip tie the throttle, plug off any vacuum sources with sticks, and yeah, got sketchy fucking electrical hooked up. What can go wrong? Sorry, fucking fellow degens and derelicts. As you can see, this fucking Tree-50 here, she caught on fire pretty good. Oh, I didn't know you had a ceramic fucking plug boot installed. Fancy. But, wow, the fucking thing is still smoking. It's been like an hour. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. That's not my cigarette either. That's coming out of the heater core hose. But yeah, the fucking starter caught fire. Just, you know, just a little bit. So yet again, I bet you this fucking thing ain't seized, but I can't start it because I don't have another fucking small block starter easily accessible. By easily accessible, I mean, you know, there is fucking two of them down here, like literally right here. But they're in fucking mud. I don't feel like doing that. So we're gonna go to the next best thing. Time to release the fucking LS. Yep, always a fucking starter. Fucking shit. I'm just gonna see about tickling on the starter a little bit. Oh, I broke it right off. Bet you it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't even spark now. Starter 10, complete toilet garage, fucking 0. All you fucks, try to get both of them to run. Yet again, fucking starters can go fuck themselves. So, I'm gonna post this video tonight of that piece of shit fucking going. Look for part 2 on this fucking cunt as soon as I get a starter for it. I might just get a starter for that one and fucking fire it back up again. I don't know yet.
And a plug wire.
And a plug wire. I mean, it's got the ceramic coating, bud. I mean, you can pick it up even on this fucking... It like glows in the dark white, dude.
It's all ashy.
Ashy Larry.
Ashy Larry. Marcy Projects. Marcy, son, what?
Remember, fuckers, don't put your hands any place you wouldn't put your fucking dick.